In this video, we'll be telling about how to edit any PDF file. For this, we don't need to install any third-party application. We'll be using browser. For this, what you need to do is open any mobile browser. For example, I am opening Google Chrome. After opening Google Chrome, search for Sejda. When you search for Sejda, you can see a result like this: www.sejda.com. Click on this website. After opening that website, above you can see 3 dots. Click on these 3 dots. In some browser, this may be down. Anyways, here you can see desktop site option. Turn this on. After that, here you can see one option, edit a PDF document. Click on this edit a PDF document. After that, you will reach a new page. In new page, you can see one option, upload PDF file. Click on upload PDF file. When you click on that, you will reach your gallery. From gallery, select the PDF file which you want to edit. For example, I am selecting this file. When you select that file will be opened here. If you want to edit anything, you can edit. To edit anything, click on the matter which you want to edit. For example, I am clicking here. After clicking here, you can make necessary changes. If you want to change font, you can do that. Or if you want to make it bold or italics, you can do that. If you want to change color, you can do that also. So you can edit already saved PDF file from here. If you want to add anything new, click anywhere in the blank space. When you click, you can see type your text. You can type whatever you want here. So after typing, if you want to change font size or color, you can do that also. If you want to delete, here delete option is there. You can delete it from here. Anyways, after typing, if you want to move this, you can move this. Just press on this and you can move this. You can place this wherever you want. For example, I am placing this here. And if you want to add photo, you can add photo also. One option is there for adding photo and many other options are also there. And if you want to add new page, down here you can see insert page here. Click on this insert page and new page will be added. And after that, you can add whatever you want here. After completing your editing, down here you can see one option, apply changes. Click on this apply changes. When you click on that, you can see your task is processing. Within few seconds that will be completed. Now here you can see download option. Click on this download option. When you click on that, that file will be downloaded. Now you can see that file is downloaded. And one thing you should notice that no watermark is there. So you can use this PDF file wherever you want. So this way you can edit any PDF file easily. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.